Not sure whether to choose GPT or MBR in Rufus? Here's how to select the right one. Open Rufus and insert your USB drive. Under Boot Selection, choose your Windows ISO file. Look for the Partition Scheme option. To install Windows on UEFI-based PC, choose GPT. GPT is GUID Partition Table. Required for UEFI systems and modern PCs, especially for Windows 11 installation. For an older legacy BIOS system, choose MBR. MBR means Master Boot Record. Works with older BIOS systems. Choose this if you are installing earlier Windows on an older PC that uses legacy BIOS. If your PC supports UEFI, choose GPT. If your PC supports only legacy BIOS, choose MBR.